To make the choux pastry, you will need strong white plain flour. You will need 150 ml of water, 50 grams of butter and 2 eggs. You will need to heat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius, and in a saucepan you are going to melt the butter and let the liquid come to the boil. A bowl of choux paste has been formed by mixing very quickly and thoroughly with the wooden spoon. The gluten in the flour has been stretched. I'm now going to let it cool for a few minutes before I add the egg. I have now added the beaten egg. You need a dropping consistency. It mustn't be too runny. So it's like a sort of dropping consistency. And I haven't had to use all the egg. I'm now going to put the mixture into a piping bag. I put the piping bag over a glass with the nozzle in it already, and by doing that I should be able to get all the mixture in and be able to pipe accurately my profiteroles. I have now piped my choux buns onto the lined baking tin. They are now ready to go in the oven, and while they're in the oven I will do the washing up. I could have made profiteroles, I could have made savoury choux buns. I've chosen to make sweet ones today. So let's put them in the oven and take care and make sure you use an oven glove. The profiteroles have now come out of the oven. They are crisp, golden and well risen. Make sure when they're in the oven you do not open the oven door. If so, they will collapse. I'm now going to slit them right the way across the middle, a bit like an envelope, and then I'm going to let them cool, and later I will dip them in chocolate sauce. So now the profiteroles have cooled down. I've sliced them to get rid of the steam. I've put some double cream which I have whisked into the middle of these profiteroles. I have heated my chocolate sauce and left it to simmer for 15 minutes. As you can see, it's of a nice creamy glossy consistency. I'm now going to pour that over the profiteroles. I have now decorated the profiteroles with the chocolate sauce. The choux pastry recipe is very versatile. It's a high-skill dish and can be adapted in many ways. For example, profiteroles, or maybe savoury choux buns using cream cheese and herbs.